First of all, I'm very happy to be a part of Bhubaneswar Runway Week and extremely delighted to work for Pradeep sir.
प्रथम नमस्कार समस्तଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଟା 10th ସିଜନ୍ ବହୁତ ମଜା ଲାଗେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗେ ବହୁତ ଏକ୍ସାଇଟେଡ୍ ଲାଗେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ରନୱେ ୱିକ୍ ହୁଏ ତ ମୁଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ କହିବି ଜନ୍କୁ କି 1 2 3 4 10ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି କଂଗ୍ରାଚୁଲେସନ୍ ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस थिला मोर बहुत बढ़िया डिजाइनर थिले से मो बहुत परिश्रम करके एत सुंदर ड्रेस बनई बहुत खुशी लगला मते
मु ऑलरेडी 3टा सीजन करिछि एंड दिस इज द थर्ड आई थिंक थर्ड or fourth one for me this is fourth one so I'm really thankful to Bhubaneswar Runway Week to the entire team and thank you for inviting me and यार सब बेस्ट पार्ट हो कि ये आम जो फैशन मैंने आम सब प्रकार एक्सपेरिमेंटल जो कॉस्ट्यूम आम मूवीज रे बहुत प्रकार एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँ डिफरेंट कॉस्ट्यूम एंड ऑल बट ये गोटे पर्टिकुलर आम टी गॉर्जियस लुक रे हो कि आम जो प्रकार कॉस्ट्यूम खोजुचु इन जनरल कि आम आमको ये आउटफिट दरकार से ये आमको सब प्रकार डिजाइनर सहित आम इंटरेक्शन में बहुत भल हो जाए.
It was a sheer pleasure for me because I have been a part of Bhubaneswar Runway Week since so many years by now. But I think this was something really special for me this time because as you can see, I have the entire look as a beautiful South Indian bride that every girl would ever wish to look like. So starting from the hairdo, from the makeup, and each and every small little work that has been done on the sari is like so elemental and so gorgeous.
So yeah, it was wonderful working with LCG Selection, with Abhismita ma'am and the entire team, even John.
Lovely collection on LCG. Like
yeah.
Every model did have something or two. So I was really happy with the jewelry.
And even the outfit, I was just saying that, oh, I want this, मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे वो भी चाहिए.
All the pieces where you can take out from the ramp and you can wear it off street. Like
exactly.
It doesn't have to be like toned down to the normal people. It is as it is, like you can pick it up and wear it and go.
Beautiful and very luxurious, I must say, platform for everyone. And I will definitely congratulate Addiction Fashion Villa, which is they are thinking about it and they are bringing a lot of designers and their creativity, and especially they are giving platform to weavers and artisans and promoting them giving them platform and bringing them to the stage, because Odisha has a lot of talent. Every corner, every district you'll find something. But you need a platform, and that is Bhubaneswar Runway Week.
To be very honest, working with everyone, I felt as if I'm back into home. I felt as if I'm working with my peers who had, I think there have been a gap for 5-6 years that I've not met them, and I've met everyone now, and it felt nothing but coming back to home. Like I said on stage, I came back to Bhubaneswar for my Hindu pilgrimage when I was 4 years of age, and now I'm coming back as Miss India and walking a ramp in the same city when I'm 20. It itself is a great pleasure to me.
Yeah, and